This is Dawn Lambert with SML People and Places, where we interview the local business owners and give you an inside look of everything going on at Smith Mountain Lake. And today we are with Garrett Meyer, and we are at the Beacon Pub and the Virginia Dare. We're going to be taking a little tour around. You guys have some exciting things going on, Garrett.
We had a building fire 2 years ago, so what we're standing in is obviously a new building, but also a new pub. So it's called Beacon Pub because a long time ago, this marina used to be called Beacon Marina. So this is our wintertime offering, and you can see down through the windows there at the lake, the only over-the-water restaurant and bar on Smith Mountain Lake called Portside.
Tell us a little bit about the menu here.
We try to focus on things that we can do really well, really fast, and make it very affordable. We're known for our Cuban sandwiches as well as our wings.
Had them, they're good.
Yeah,
Wings are good.
So up here in Beacon Pub, we wanted to bring a little more seafood to the lake. So we just introduced a grouper BLT sandwich, which is phenomenal, as well as a crab cake sandwich, which is great. And then we have on Sundays, 50-cent shrimp. Everything is cooked on open flame. We don't do anything in ovens. It's all on the grills.
And you have a full bar here?
We do. We try to cover all the bases. We have plenty of beer and alcohol and wine, but also a lot of beer on tap as well.
All right, well, let's take a stroll outside and show us
Sure,
around.
absolutely. We really wanted to bring everything from the lake inside. So we've got the two doors on either side of this main door here that allows for open air dining. And we bring tables up from portside and sprinkle them about, and a couple of fire pits.
Tell us before I forget about the Virginia Dare. You've got tours and so forth.
Yeah, so the Virginia Dare has been an icon on Smith Mountain Lake for going on 31 years now. And she's a 137 passenger dinner cruise ship. It's a buffet style. We do anything from just general sightseeing cruises to food cruises as well. We do a lot of different charters like proms, weddings, rehearsal dinners, family get-togethers, all kinds of things. Because of COVID, we couldn't have those customers on board. And so we thought of some different things like our casino cruises, painting on board, sipping paint, that kind of thing. So yeah.
So you'll have some other special events and things going on.
Kind of our slogan that we've adopted this year is great food, best view.
Yes.
And it's hard to beat this.
All right, well, thanks for showing us around.
Well, pleasure.
Come on out to the Beacon Pub and Portside and the Virginia Dare. Check it out.